Hello everyone, welcome to March. First, I need to start off this video by sharing that this one will be my last teacher check-in for the 2024 to 2025 school year. My channel will be on hiatus from now until the 2025 to 2026 school year. When I return, I will have new ideas to share to help you grow as an educator. March can be a challenging month in the education system of the United States. There may be many standardized tests that may have taken place after winter break ended, and spring break may feel far away or actually be far away, depending on your school's schedule. If you need to take some time for yourself to recharge before the next break begins on the school calendar, that is understandable. Your students may need time to recharge as well. Having compassion for yourself and your students will hopefully make the school day easier for everyone. Remember, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.